The 21st century has given rise to technological advances that were once only dreamed of. Thanks to the internet, people are able to work from just about anywhere in the world. However, amidst the adventure and allure of the nomadic lifestyle, one issue is often neglected: travel insurance. If you are struggling to find the right insurance services, brand, or plan, then this article is for you. Here, we'll talk about the importance of travel insurance and provide 7 great options for you to consider. We have also added a guide on how to make the right choice, so be sure to watch till the end. What is travel insurance? Travel insurance is coverage aimed at protecting travelers from monetary losses. It offers support in a variety of scenarios when digital nomads are away from home. This kind of policy usually provides a number of benefits, such as access to 24-hour emergency services, private health insurance, and coverage for missed, delayed, or canceled flights, among others. Why you need Nomad travel insurance? While this kind of insurance is crucial when going on short vacations and business trips, it is even more important for digital nomads, as they spend most of their days away from home. Here are some of the reasons why you need to invest in a comprehensive national health insurance scheme. Medical expenses. As a digital nomad, you will likely spend a great deal of your time on international trips. Your lifestyle might involve traveling from one place to another. This kind of lifestyle will introduce you to different cultures, foods, and people. It could also expose you to diseases that your body has not encountered before, increasing your risk of an adverse reaction. When it comes to critical medical coverage, travel insurance can ensure that you have the support and care you need in the event of an illness or accident. Nomad Insurance provides financial security and peace of mind against unanticipated health issues by covering medical costs, emergency evacuations, and more. Coverage for important equipment and devices. The truth is that digital nomads rely heavily on their laptops and other gadgets to ensure that they are able to make a living from wherever they are. If there is a problem with their technology and they cannot function remotely, then this can really throw a spanner in the works. Fortunately, Nomad Insurance is designed to offer coverage for damaged, lost, or stolen equipment. This can provide the assurance that if something does go wrong, the person is able to obtain a replacement and continue to function as normal. Changes in plans. Although you might plan well, changes to your itinerary are sometimes inevitable. Flight cancellations, delays, and political unrest can all have financial consequences. When you invest in digital nomad insurance, you can recover some of the non-refundable costs lost due to unforeseen circumstances. Lost or delayed luggage. There's nothing worse than lost luggage. The good news is that most travel insurance plans are designed to offer certain benefits when this occurs, saving you the trouble of having to be without essential items. 7 travel nomad insurance providers to consider. Now that you understand why this kind of insurance coverage is vital for digital nomads, let's move on to the top 7 options. We reviewed several different providers to identify some of the most highly rated. 1. SafetyWing, my personal choice for nomad insurance. What's included? Trip interruption and delay, emergency medical and dental expenses, emergency medical evacuation, repatriation of remains and accidental death, lost checked luggage and lost visa travel documents, return of minor children and pets, political evacuation and border entry protection. If you are looking for reliable travel insurance for a nomad, then you need to consider SafetyWing. Created by people just like you, the company aimed to design coverage that meets the needs of avid travelers. SafetyWing allows you to purchase coverage while abroad, so if you have already left your permanent residential address and need to obtain a dependable insurance policy, then you should definitely give it a try. In addition to Nomad Health Insurance, you also get COVID coverage, ensuring that you are able to receive medical treatment when you need it. You can get a SafetyWing policy unless you live in North Korea, Cuba, or Iran. Unless you actively cancel, keep in mind that the policy will renew for a maximum of 364 days. Furthermore, American citizens can receive accident coverage for a maximum of 15 days every 3 months through SafetyWing. It is designed to offer both travel and health insurance coverage while you're in another nation, understanding what is covered and what is not. With SafetyWing, you are covered for a wide range of mishaps. This includes the following: the loss of luggage and travel documents, trip delays and interruptions, emergency evacuations, return of your remains in the case of death, protection against border entry, political evacuations, emergency medical and dental procedures, the return of pets and children. However, you will not be covered for mental health issues, pre-existing medical conditions, and accidents that occurred as a result of the use of drugs or alcohol. Pros: designed by travelers. COVID coverage. Comprehensive cover for a wide range of illnesses and mishaps. No limit placed on travel duration. Easy cancellation, affordable when compared to many of its competitors. Cons: no coverage for travelers age 70 and above. Does not cover you for trip cancellations. You are not fully covered for gear and adventurous activities. No coverage if you are in Iran, North Korea, or Cuba. 2. World Nomads. World Nomad Insurance is another provider worth considering. It is underwritten by Nationwide Mutual Insurance Company and Pacific International Insurance Pty in Australia and New Zealand. It is a representative of NIB Travel Services Europe and NIB Travel Services Limited. There are decent health insurance limits available for all plans. We also like the fact that you can add additional coverage during your trip if the need arises. There is no COVID exclusion, so you can get the healthcare you need if you contract the disease while abroad. However, certain restrictions will apply for trip cancellations. So make sure you're checking the details when signing up for a policy. What's covered and what's not. Here is an overview of what World Nomads covers. Emergency transportation that is not medically related. Trip cancellations, delays, loss of luggage. Take advantage of its inter-partner assistance. Emergency healthcare and repatriation. Evacuation. 24-hour assistance. Rental vehicle damage, only with the Explorer plan. Dangerous activities. However, keep in mind that you will not be covered in the event of a war, pre-existing illness, or harming yourself while under the influence. Pros: comprehensive coverage. Discounts offered. Excellent compensation is provided for trip delays and interruptions. COVID coverage. Cons: health insurance may have a high deductible. Budget plans have lower maximum coverage limits. Allianz Global Assistance. Allianz Global Assistance provides reasonably priced travel insurance for single or multiple trips. Compared to buying coverage for each trip separately, it is more affordable. The 45-day maximum stay duration is covered under its multi-trip policy. What's covered and what's not. Here's what you can expect to receive coverage for when you sign up with Allianz Global Assistance. Illnesses, the loss of travel documents, delays or missed flights, pregnancy complications, luggage loss, tropical storms. Keep in mind that Allianz Global Assistance does not offer digital nomads coverage for a wide range of things. This includes war, terrorist attacks, epidemics, dangerous activities, civil unrest, flying an aircraft, and more. Pros: plans are affordable. Specialized policies available. Multiple options to choose from. Great for those who take multiple trips each year. Cons: there is a long list of exclusions and limitations. Additional coverage may be required to cover dangerous sports. It may not be suitable for nomads who spend lengthy periods abroad. 4. Nomad Insurance. As the name implies, Nomad Insurance offers full healthcare coverage that is customized to meet the demands of those who live nomadic lifestyles. Benefits for healthcare expenses, emergency evacuations, and more are all included in its policies. One way that Nomad Insurance sets itself apart is that it covers pre-existing ailments, which is an important factor for frequent travelers. It also provides flexible payment plans and lets nomads buy insurance after they've left home. What's covered and what's not. The following are covered by Nomad Insurance. Emergency evacuations, medical expenses, emergency assistance. You will not be covered for pre-existing conditions, dangerous or illegal activities, travel to certain restricted areas, and non-essential expenses. Pros: you get comprehensive insurance coverage. Options are flexible. Global assistance is provided. Cons: policies can be more expensive than that of its competitors. There are many exclusions and limitations. Some travelers may experience delays or challenges with the claims process. 5. Integra Global. Integra Global focuses on offering comprehensive international health insurance options to people who travel frequently, digital nomads, and expats. Its policies include benefits such as hospitalizations, outpatient treatment, and wellness programs, with an emphasis on exceptional health expense coverage. Moreover, Integra Global stands apart by emphasizing individualized assistance and client service. It designates a personal account manager for every member, who helps them at every step of their journey with the company, guaranteeing timely support and easy processing of claims. Furthermore, its global network of healthcare professionals allows nomads to obtain high-quality medical treatment no matter where they travel. What's covered and what's not. Here's what's included in Integra Global's travel insurance products. Outpatient treatment, emergency evacuations, maternity care, coverage for medical expenses, emergency assistance. You will not be covered for high-risk activities, pre-existing illnesses, non-essential services, and illegal activities. Pros: comprehensive policies, excellent customer support offered. You get access to quality health care. Cons: plans are highly priced. Non-medical coverage is limited. 6. IMG Global. IMG Global is an expert in offering foreign health insurance to travelers. In order to safeguard nomads against unanticipated health emergencies, its policies provide full medical coverage. Moreover, the company also offers benefits for maternity care, mental health, and more, which many other providers simply do not offer. Renewal periods are also flexible, giving you the liberty to modify your coverage as you see fit. There are 4 main plans that you can choose from, namely Bronze, Silver, Gold, and Platinum. Coverage and costs vary depending on the policy type you choose. What's covered? Before we get into the pros and cons of choosing this company, let's first discuss what's included as part of the plan. IMG Global covers both long and short-term travelers with a wide range of medical issues. Pros: global network, 24-hour assistance provided. Tailored plans, only provides medical insurance. Cons: the claims process is often long and drawn out. 7. True Traveler. True Traveler is a well-liked option for thrifty digital nomads looking for reasonably priced, all-inclusive travel insurance. It stands out for its clear coverage options and uncomplicated pricing structure. Nomads may choose from 3 coverage tiers according to their requirements and financial situation, ensuring that they obtain a suitable policy. Furthermore, True Traveler provides coverage for a wide variety of adventure activities, which makes it perfect for those who enjoy high adrenaline activities. What's covered and what's not? With True Traveler, you can enjoy coverage for single and multiple trips, making it perfect for digital nomads. You can expect coverage for multiple high-risk activities, medical issues, emergency evacuations, and more. However, certain exclusions will apply. You will not have coverage for existing medical issues, natural disasters, events that occur because of intoxication, war, terrorism, natural disasters, and more. You will also need to take note of certain exclusions regarding destination. Pros: great coverage, multiple plans to choose from, single and multiple trips supported, dangerous activities covered. Cons: there are many exclusions. How to choose the right travel insurance company. Now that you have explored some of the best digital nomad travel insurance providers, you might be wondering which one to choose. While this list may have narrowed down your list of options, it's important that you do due diligence when selecting an insurer. After all, travel insurance for a nomad is essential and plays a major role in safeguarding you against losses. Here are a few things to keep in mind when vetting providers. Your needs. The first thing you should do before you approach any insurance company is make a list of your coverage requirements. Suppose you have a medical condition that requires ongoing medical care. In that case, make sure you go for an option that offers comprehensive health insurance for nomads. This is a crucial step, as it will help to ensure that you aren't swayed by marketing ploys but are investing in coverage that will meet your needs. The type of coverage offered. Not all insurers are the same, so make sure that you are spending time exploring the various options available to you before making a choice. Look at the premiums and what is being offered for each plan. Ideally, you should opt for the one that offers the best value for money while still offering the coverage you require. Destinations. You'll also need to ensure that the provider you choose covers your preferred destinations. The truth is that some companies have stricter rules with regard to the countries in which benefits apply. So make sure you are reading the fine print and selecting a plan that will ensure coverage for where you are going. Claims process and overall user experience. When something goes wrong in a foreign country, it can be incredibly stressful. In such cases, you should get unparalleled support from your insurance company. Make sure that you are not swayed by a sales pitch that promotes travel insurance products, but do your research. To determine the kind of assistance services provided by an insurer, be sure to check client surveys and reviews. Familiarize yourself with the claims process. If you are traveling to England, for example, make sure you have the UK branch office address and contact details on hand. Limits and exclusions. Before signing any documentation, be sure to read the policy exclusions and limitations. Make sure you are familiar with and have accepted what is covered and what is not. Check which countries your insurance provider has reciprocal health agreements with to ensure that you will be protected when traveling. Cost. Ultimately, affordability is essential when selecting the right provider and plan. However, you should never sacrifice value for a lower premium, as this could mean losing out on important coverage. If there are multiple exclusions, you might find yourself in trouble while abroad, so make sure you are going for a policy that blends cost-effectiveness with value. Final thoughts. Travel insurance is essential for digital nomads, as it ensures that they are covered in the event of flight cancellations, sickness, damaged property, and more. However, with so many insurance providers to choose from, knowing which one to go for can get a little confusing. Make sure that you are doing your research and reading customer reviews before selecting an insurer, as the last thing you need is bad service when you're stuck in another country and have a problem. We highly recommend SafetyWing. If you would like to learn more tips for digital nomads, then please browse our channel for more informational content designed to make your life easier.